Hello everyone. So we will start our next session, touchless hand sanitizer using Arduino. So first we will see the circuit diagram and then we will go for the demonstration. So this is the circuit diagram for touchless hand sanitizer. So this is my sensor to sense my hand. This is IR sensor. This is my solenoid valve or water pump to provide the sanitizer. This is my relay. Relay is used to turn on and off this pump. So if you observe, this is connected to normally closed, this is connected to normally open. So my pump is connected to normally open. So when relay turns on, then this pump turns on. To operate this relay, we are using a relay driver, that is transistor as a switch. This is the freewheeling diode connected across the relay, and this is the indicator to indicate the relay is on or off. And this is my Arduino board. So this is the circuit diagram. So I think first I have to explain you how relay will operate, and then I will start the description. So in relay, so first we'll see the construction of relay. So in relay there is one rod. On this rod coil is wounded. On this rod coil is wounded. So this is my coil. Here one metal foil is there, which is above this rod, and this is connected to one pivot. There is one spring. Due to this spring, this terminal is always at upper side, so it is connected always to this upper side. So this connection is known as normally closed, and this connection is known as normally open. This is open, so normally open. Now in this, when current passes through this coil will become magnet, and this will attract this arm. So this arm will come down, and this normally open will become normally closed, and whatever you connect at output, that will turn on. So if you see, this is your output device, and this is your supply. So one wire is connected directly and one wire is open. So you can connect manual switch here also. So when you press this switch, this supply is given to output and my output will turn on. But this is manual, which is at home. Suppose output is my light or pump and my supply is 230 volt. So by using this switch you can control the device. But I want to control this automatically, so for that I have to use relay. So the normally open terminal is connected parallel to this switch. Same circuit you can use for home automation also. So when relay turns on, this open will become closed, and when this become closed, my output turns on. So this is the function of relay. So in our case we are using output as pump or solenoid valve, and my supply is 12 volt DC. So this is the function of relay. Now we'll come to our session. So to indicate this relay is on or off, we are using this indicator, and this is my sensor. Now the material required is Arduino Uno, IR sensor module, relay module, small water pump or valve, and adapter. So these are the requirement. The cost of this system is minimum 600 rupees. So the code, first you have to initialize the input output. So relay is my output. Relay is used to control the solenoid valve, and sensor is connected to pin number 8. This is sensor status variable. In setup I have to initialize the pin modes. So relay is output and sensor is input. After that, this is my code. Sensor status equal to digital read sensor. So it will read the sensor. If sensor status is equal to low, then relay turns on for 250 milliseconds, so that you will get sanitized water. Then digital write relay low, so relay turns off and it will wait for 2 seconds. So you have to remove your hand within 2 seconds. If sensor is not low, else relay is off, so sanitizer pump is off. So this is simple program, same as mini project program. It is used for sanitizer. So this is the program. I had executed this. So we'll see the demonstration. Hello everybody. Now I had designed one small circuit for touchless hand sanitizer, but due to lockdown, material is not available. So I had designed this system according to material availability. So I have some material. So using that, I had designed the touchless hand sanitizer. So we will see the hardware and then we will see the demonstration. So I had written the code for hand sanitizer. It is very simple code. This is my hardware. So this is my Arduino board and this is my shield. In this shield I am using only relay as a switch. Then I am using this IR sensor to sense the human or to sense the hand, and I am using this water pump, or you can say sanitizer pump, to supply the sanitizer. To operate this pump I am using this relay as a switch. So by using this relay you can turn on and off the pump. So this is proximity type sensor. So when you put hand, automatically water will come. Okay, so this is touchless hand sanitizer. So when you put hand in front of this, automatically you will get sanitizer. So no need to touch anything, just put hand, you will get sanitizer. So this is simple hand sanitizer. The cost of this system is maximum 600 rupees. So this is you can make at home. So this is useful for all. This is nowadays we can use this for home, offices, anywhere, after proper customization, after proper presentation. So this is simple electronic circuit, touchless hand sanitizer using Arduino Uno. So just put hand here, you will get sanitized. So this is simple hand sanitizer. Thank you for watching this video. So this video is developed in lockdown. After that we work on that and we had designed other circuit. So this is one touchless hand sanitizer. These are industrial or market available sanitizer. So we had designed same sanitizer at Sitronics also. We will show the demonstration for Sitronics touchless hand sanitizer.
Keep
So
yourself
Sitronics
sanitized
hand sanitizer.
using automatic sanitizer dispenser. To book your order, contact Sitronics Karat. Contact number 96045 99555 and 90299 75757 and 98909
So thank you for watching this session. So this is touchless hand sanitizer. Thank you very much.